we are doing with the daily current affairs analysis. For that will greatly helpful for this prelims as well as for mains to quote as an example. So right to establish minority institution. This comes under JS2 polity. So Chief Justice of India Chandrachud, they had heading a 7 judgments asked whether a minority community rights to establish an educational institution should be dependent on state recognition or what. So Constitution Bench was hearing a reference related to the minority status for Aligarh Muslim University. So this for prelims you need to study about the rights that have been enshrined in the Constitution. So all minorities shall have the right to establish and administer educational institutions. The protection under Article 30 is confined only to the minorities, that is religious or linguistic, and does not extend to any section of citizens. So physicists are making sense of the mystery of pulsar. So this comes under GS3 Science and Tech. So the decades ago, the astronomers at the University of Cambridge had put together an array of antenna for use as a telescope to study the radio waves. When they started operating the array, two members of the group, Jocelyn Bell Burnell and Anthony Hewish, noticed one set of signals that were flashing in a periodic manner. So we know today that the pair had discovered the first pulsar named PSR B1919 plus 21. So pulsar, when heavy stars die, their cores implode. If they are having enough, they become black holes. But if not, they collapse just enough to form a ball of neutrons, with the gravity not being strong enough to overwhelm their outward pressures. This compact superdense object is called neutron star. Radio signals emitted from near the poles of such a star would form a narrow cone that sweeps past the Earth with every rotation. The fact that the signals came from a very small patch of the sky and that they repeated frequently led scientists to identify pulsars as rotating neutron stars. The rotation of this neutron star slowed over time. Physicists found that the energy saved by reducing the rotation rate was used to accelerate electric charges outside the star, producing the radio signal. But later, two research groups working separately reported an abrupt and brief increase in the rotation rate. The increase in rotation speed is called as glitch. So rising gap in incomes in India. So this comes in a GS3 economy. As a recent report from SBI, a standard measures of inequality that ranges from 0 to 1. Means 0 indicate perfect equality, 1 indicate perfect inequality, has fallen. So Lawrence curve, which is a distribution of income curve, that is a graphical distribution of wealth developed by Max Lawrence. It shows the proportion of income earned by any given percentage of the population. The line at the 45-degree angle shows perfectly equal income distribution. The further away from the diagonal, the more unequal the size of the distribution of income. Gini coefficient measures the degree of inequality in a population. The Gini coefficient can vary from 0 perfect equality to 1 perfect inequality. So the Gini coefficient of 0 means that everyone has the same income, while a coefficient of 1 represents a single individual receiving all the income. Thank you. Have a great day.